lose, and I plead for His mercy as I struggle to choose. Courage is doing what's right in the presence of fear. It takes courage to do what I should when no one is near. Courage is my way of saying I'll follow Thee. When the world walks out on me. Courage is my way of saying I'll follow Thee. When the world walks out